And you are making your pen holder in Part Studio. So see down here this tab, that is your view right now. What you need to submit is the 4-view drawings, which has your isometric and orthographic drawings. This program creates it for you. All you have to do is come over here to under your Parts tab here, and you're going to right click on part 1, and you're going to click on Create Drawing of Part 1. This window opens up and you're going to click down here on 4 views. Then you're going to hit OK. And it is going to load eventually. There we go. So now we have our isometric, which is our 3D view, and then our orthographic views, top, front, and right side view. And these are in 2D. You need to dimension all of the 2D drawings. So that is your orthographic drawings. So you come up here and find the dimension icon. Click that. Remember, there's 2 ways to dimension. One way is to just click on a line and drag it out. The other way, if you want to get between 2 areas, would be to click the top line, then the bottom line, and then drag it out. Okay, you can also edit. We don't want to edit them. I don't know what's happening here. My mouse is going crazy. Okay, you want to dimension everything that someone would need to be able to build this on their own. We're going to do this, and you don't need to repeat dimensions. So we're doing the width here. I don't need to do the width up here because we already have it here and it's the same. As you can see, they line up. We also need to show hidden lines. So on each of your 2D objects, you are going to right click, hit escape first to get out of that dimension command. Then you're going to right click and you're going to click on show hide and then show hidden lines. And you're going to do that on all the 2D drawings. And what that's going to do is show us if there are any holes that go through. So for example, this circle here, that's my spot for my pen. It goes through, and as you can see, it doesn't go all the way to the bottom. So I am actually going to dimension that so that people know it doesn't go all the way to the bottom. There we go. Now that I have that, I'm going to go over to my title block, see where these dashed lines are. I want to put the title of this, so I'm going to call it pen holder, and I'm going to make the drawing number, this will just say 01 for drawing number 1. Done. Now when I have that complete and I feel like I have all the dimensions I need, by the way, I didn't totally complete this, so you might have more to do on yours, especially if it's not a perfect cube. Mine's pretty simple because it's a 2x2 cube. I'm going to go over to this part 1 drawing 1 tab. I'm going to right click and hit export. It is going to convert it to a PDF. I'm going to change the file name to my name _ pen holder, and this is what I want you to do as well. Put your first and last name _ pen holder. It's going to go to your downloads folder. Just hit export. And there we go. Then you'll be able to go into the classroom and add that file. Okay, and that is it.